Hi, this is Todd from Sniping Rhino Ranch, and in today's video we're going to try to fix our driveway a little bit. I'm not quite halfway up to my knees. If I go a couple steps that way, it actually would be over my boots. So that's what we're going to try doing in this video. But first, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. So let's see how our driveway repair goes. I'm down here on this little pond we have in the middle of our driveway. I'm going to start working on this. The first thing I want to do is I want to try to get all this, as much of this water out as I can. I have several different options, but you know, I like to do it the easy way. And so I've got some Bounty Quicker Picker Upper, and this should just soak it all right up. So that didn't work near as well as I was hoping. I guess I'm going to have to take this pickaxe and just dig a trench to try to drain it that way. So let's get to work. We've got this low area over here. You can see where the water's pooled up. So we're going to try to dig a trench right through here to try to drain that out. So we'll see how that works. Okay, so I've been digging for about 45 minutes now. I've got from about here back, and what I'm going to do now is do this last 3 feet to the water and just see how well it drains it out. I'm not sure if I got it deep enough here. It's actually pretty deep there, so I'll probably have to dig another trench right here, but we're going to go ahead and see if I got this right. But getting ready to eat, so I'm going to get a bunch of this done, go eat, and I'll get back to it. Okay, I've got, if you can see right here, I've got the water coming, it's draining down over there. I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and then we'll come back and do any adjustments we need to try to get this water level down. So I'm hungry, I'm a little out of shape and tired, so take a little break and then get back to it. So I'm just coming back from lunch, and it has drained some. So what I think I'm going to do is actually dig this out a little more and try to get some more water out. But if you can see, it was probably up to here when I was standing here before lunch. So quite a bit smaller, but still quite a bit more to do. So enough talking. I delayed it long enough. I guess it's time to get back to work. Okay, behind me, I've kind of got rid of the majority of the pond, digging that drainage ditch. It's worked really well. There's the water you do see is some big ruts we have from tractors and dump trucks and the graders who've been parked here. They didn't realize this was a driveway. So we'll put some big rocks in there to fill it up, and once we've got that done, we'll lay some gravel down. So I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out today. So I guess that's done for step one of fixing our driveway.